Hello students. So we are going to start Maths first chapter, that is arithmetic progression. This is your first chapter in Maths, arithmetic progression. So before knowing the meaning of arithmetic progression, you should know what is the meaning of progression first. For example, let I give you some example here. Let I write here as 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on, or 1, 4, 9, 16. So we can call these set of numbers as progression. So in simple word, what do you mean by progression? Progression is nothing but it is a set of numbers or set of some sequence which will be having some predictable pattern. See, this is a set of numbers. 7 is not the end number. It goes on. Next there will be a 9, 12. So like this sequence are called as progression. Got it clear? And in progression, each number is called as terms. T-E-R-M-S. Each one is called as terms. Specifically, the first term is called as first term and it is denoted as small letter a, or it is denoted as small letter a1. Okay, so in this progression, what is a1? A1 is 1. Similarly, second term is denoted as A2. So in this progression, can you guess in this progression what is A2? Yes, A2 is 3. Means second term in the sequence is 3. Second term in the sequence is 3. Similarly, third term we are going to represent it as A3, and A3 in this progression is 5. Like that we need to guess. I hope you understood till here. So this is what the progression means. Then what is the meaning of arithmetic progression then? So this is a progression, right? Where A1 is 3, A2 is 6, A3 is 9, A4 is 12. So this progression is called as arithmetic progression. Why it is called as arithmetic progression means, look the sequence properly. In this, for the A1 or for the first term, if I add a number called plus 3, we are going to get the second term 6. Correct? Similarly, if I add again that same plus 3, again if I add same plus 3, I am going to get the third term, that is 9. Again if I add plus 3 to the third term, I am going to get the fourth term. Again if I add plus 3, I will be getting the next consecutive terms. So AP means if you are going to add a fixed digit of numbers and we are going to get the presiding terms, then that set of sequence or that set of progression we are going to call it as, it is in arithmetic progression, or in short arithmetic progression is called as AP. Got it clear? So this is the meaning of actual arithmetic progression. Okay, in the whiteboard you are going to see some list of numbers. Can I call this sequence to be in arithmetic progression or it is in AP? AP short form is in arithmetic progression. Let I check. What if I add plus 2 to the first term, we are going to get the second term called 6. Similarly, if I add plus 3 to the next term, correct? We are going to get the next term. So we are not getting a fixed digit. Similarly, if I add plus 4, we are going to get the next fourth term. So here the number is not fixed. Therefore, this sequence 4, 6, 9, 13 and so on, they are not in AP. So AP means their number should be fixed. So let I check whether in this sequence is in AP or not, whether it is in arithmetic progression or not. So let I write here, if I add plus 2, we are going to get the next term. Similarly, if I add plus 2, I am going to get next term. If I add plus 2, next term, yeah, it is in AP. So this 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on are in AP where the number is fixed. This fixed number in this sequence is plus 2, correct? So this fixed number is also called in another word called common difference. Common, I don't have space, so let I write above, common difference. In short, common difference is denoted by small letter d also. So in this sequence, the common difference is plus 2, because while we are adding this fixed digit plus 2 only, we are getting a common difference, that is small letter d. So this is a sequence where our common difference is plus 4, correct? If I add plus 4 to the first term, I'm getting the next preceding terms like this. So here the common difference, that is small letter d, is 4. Is there any other way to find the common difference in an AP? Yes, we have an formula type, that is d equals A2 minus A1 is a formula to find the common difference d. What does A2 means? A2 means second term, A1 means first term. So putting this formula, let I find the common difference for this sequence. So A2, correct? A2. In this sequence, what is A2? 8. So let I write 8 here, 8, and we have minus sign here. So write minus, and what is the first term? That is 4 is the first term. So let I write 4. Let I subtract 8 minus 4. I am going to get 4. So common difference is 4. Correct? The common difference is 4. Common difference is 4. Here also we got it as 4. So this is the another way of finding common